Raindrops fall, a cold wind blows through empty streets where no one knows. Tiny paws on pavement bare, a lonely heart, a silent prayer. And the many hiding deep in shadows tight, dreaming of warmth on a bitter night. The footsteps pass, eyes turn away, just another forgotten stray. Oh, will someone see me? Will someone care? A little kindness, a love tutored away. I'm just a soul lost in the night, longing for arms to hold me tight. Then came a voice so soft, so true. Come here, little one, I see you. Now I have love, now I have light. No more darkness, I'll be alright. Come and hunger fades, the fear grows dim. A gentle touch, a world within. Once alone, now safe, now free. A place where I'm meant to be. By the fire I rest my head, a cozy bed my heart has said. This is home, I feel it, and now no more wandering through the crowd. The stars above, they shine so bright, no longer lost in endless night. A tiny paw now held so tight, love has turned my dark to light. No longer searching, no more cries. A happy heart and loving eyes. Through the window I watch the rain, but now I'll never feel lost again. I was astray with nowhere to go. Now I have love, now I